Lost when a refund or chargeback hits? Don't worry. This video shows a simple step-by-step method to record them correctly. By the end, your books will stay clean, accurate, and stress-free. Messy books waste time and cause stress. Recording refunds and chargebacks correctly now saves hours later. Keeps keeps your accounts accurate and helps you stay in control of your business finances. Refunds come from you or the customer, while chargebacks are forced by the bank. Recording them correctly depends on this. Later, I will show step by step journal entries so you always know what to do. When you issue a refund, reduce sales revenue and adjust your bank balance. Note the reason, like product return, and use consistent labels. This keeps your books clear, organized, and stress-free. Chargebacks often come with bank fees. For example, a $100 chargeback with a $5 fee means debit sales 100, debit chargeback fees $5, and credit your bank $105. Recording this properly keeps your books accurate and reconciliation smooth. Reconciliation is your safety net. Check each bank transaction against your ledger and make sure refunds and chargebacks match. Flag any mismatches early. It's much easier than fixing problems later. Proper categorization gives you clarity. Are refunds product related? Are chargebacks mostly disputes? Tracking this helps you improve processes while keeping your books accurate. Here is a practical example: a $50 refund for a returned item and a $30 chargeback for disputed service. Record each properly and your books stay accurate while reconciliation becomes easy. Time for a quick quiz. Type your answer in the comments. It's a fun way to reinforce learning and keeps your brain engaged while watching. Automation saves time. Use templates or accounting software to automatically classify refunds and chargebacks. Fewer mistakes, cleaner books, and less stress. Common mistakes include ignoring fees, mixing categories, or skipping notes. Avoid these and your books stay clean, organized, and easier to reconcile later. Follow these 6 steps consistently, and keeping clean books becomes effortless. Think of it as a checklist to make accounting stress free. Identify refund against chargeback. Record debit and credit correctly. Note reason and fees. Reconcile regularly. Categorize separately. Automate if possible. A tiny bookkeeping mistake might seem harmless, but it can grow over time. Recording refunds and chargebacks accurately prevents headaches and keeps your business in control. Share your experience in the comments. Have you ever struggled with refunds or chargebacks? Now is your turn. Use these steps on your own books today. Templates make it easier, keeping your records accurate, organized, and stress-free. Clean books, less stress. Like if like if you learned something useful. Subscribe for more clean bookkeeping tips. Thank you very much.